Hey y'all, so this is day 2 of my quarantine and I am trying to take advantage of giving y'all some of my looks, whether it's hair, makeup, lashes, etc. that are on the site that is available, or items that I have that you can purchase by DMing me. So tonight I am showing y'all this unit here. This is a Malaysian curl unit. This is a glueless unit. You can glue it on if you want, but you can also just put it on. It has a band in the back, very flexible. This is my favorite type of curl. I like big hair. I like big curly hair, and I like my hair extremely full, okay? So wearing this unit, you can wet this. You can dye it. You can straighten it. You can basically do whatever you want to do. I wear it part on the side, part in the middle. If you want to push it back, you can push it back. But I just like it out and big. So sometimes I wear it wet, like I'll wet it. Like I wet it a little bit here, but up here it's completely dry. So sometimes I wear it wet, sometimes I wear it dry. Doesn't really matter. So yeah, that's basically it. I have all different lengths. So just DM me. Let me know what you're looking for, and yes, we'll go from there. Let's get into these lashes, honey. I know you see them. I know you see them. Baby girl got bottom lashes on too. So these lashes are my in-between natural and glam. They're right in the middle. And I took 2 pair and I stacked them because I wanted that more, if you can see that darkness. I wanted more of the black in there, not really like a mega full look, but just the black that you see, because I love the blackness in my eyes when I do my makeup. So that was my reasoning for stacking them, to get them first and foremost the black to bring out my makeup, and second to just provide a little bit of fullness to my lashes without going to the extreme. So on my bottoms, I have bottom lashes. And, I make these myself. I just, trim up my natural lashes. So I have to start going live so I can talk to y'all. But I be having so much stuff going on in the background. It's pretty hard to go live. But I wanted to know, what do y'all think about this makeup look? I don't know if you can fully see it or what. But let me know in the comments, or DM me and let me know. I don't know. But I have been using my girl, Jaclyn Hill. And I am so in love with this palette. Look at the colors. Yes, yes, yes. I already made a mess, but whatever. I'll wipe it later. But for this particular look, I used Booby be all up in my stuff too. I used this color. Nope. Okay, so I want to show y'all the colors that I used. I used Crazy. I can get crazy sometimes. I used My Man's. Don't be messing with my man, right? My man. I'm in it because I'm all in it. Certified. Like, y'all already know, certified lash tech. You know what I mean? Licensed esthetician, social work. These hands is certified. Yeah, y'all know the deal. Love handles. I don't know about all that. That might be just a tad bit too deep. And I used Heart On, which is like this one. No, I either use Living My Best or Heart But anyway, as I was saying about the palette, this palette is bomb, and it like the colors like are so pigmented. It's really good for, it's hard to find colors that are good for my skin tone, because you can't always see the color. And I love this palette so far. I will be using this palette during my whole little quarantine. I mean, I think I want to try to use like every color in the palette during this time. If not, then I might mix in a couple other things, but as I go, I will let you know. But yeah, like I'm just, you know, vibing and everything and trying to get these makeup looks just in case prom season will come around. I'm hoping it comes around for y'all. And that's about it. So we talked about this hair. We talked about these lashes. Hold on, let me get this out of my face a little bit. We talked about these lashes. We talked about this makeup. And that's it, you know? So I'm going to wrap it up now and take a few flicks, give y'all a couple looks, and maybe I'll see y'all tomorrow. Maybe I won't, depending on how I feel. And, you know, I just want to try to switch some things up. So see you then. Good night.